What's up? Are you really filming? That's cool.
This is Canada. He's a territory, not a country.
I'm a freaking country.
You're a territory. This is Lithuania. He plays stick.
I'm Somalia, gosh.
Oh, meet this biatch. He's Somalia.
Yeah.
Guess what? He's still creepy.
Okay.
Warning, if he's ever your principal, run for your lives. Jeffrey, stop that for kick your butt. Who are you? I am Turkey. This is Turkey. She's on the opposite sides of large. Hey, just like a turkey.
Wait, I'm confused. What is it?
This is Cassie. I don't know what country she is.
I am North France. No, South France. I'm South
France?
Yes.
He's on the bottom. All right.
There's Poland everything going on. Get off my
Hi, this is Jove. Oh, this is Tara. She's America.
Sup? I'm the best. Number one.
Yeah, you'll see her on the rest of the
And do you know why I'm the best? Because I'm the hero.
Taiwan land is better. She sucks.
Shh, guys. This is Javi, aka, what are you?
Atlantis.
America is not the hero.
This is Tori. Tori, what country are you?
Poland.
Poland. What's so special about Poland?
We can win wars with ponies.
Really? Now tell me about that.
I won over Germany. Like really.
And how does that make you feel?
Special. And I'm gonna put rockets on my home, and we're gonna fly and crush Russia next.
Alright, cool. Hey, we're back to Turkey. I get on the opposite side of large. But she doesn't like me saying very much. This is Tori, also.
There you go.
France. Who are you?
I like it on top.
Oh.
Yeah, the north is better.
What?
North is better. This is Taiwan. Guess what, Taiwan? You're poor.
Taiwan land. Taiwan land.